Hey guys, this is from your Stick channel. We are back with a gameplay video on To Die 2. This is basically a very good game. It's a single player game. On To Die 2 is a mobile game developed by the Russian studio Toffee Games. On To Die 2 sees a departure from the familiar desert setting of the original game and delves into the depth of cities overrun by zombies. Players have to defend the city in order to win the game level. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like the video. Comment your opinion below.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna start the gameplay. Okay, guys, this is the story. Okay, I have completed those cars. I'm now in this. Okay, go. These are the zombies. These are the zombies coming. In the bottom middle, it's showing the speed. In the right one, the boost. See this boost. We can upgrade this boost. I have made it maximum, and the left small circle shows the fuel of my car. After my boost is over, it will show out of boost, as you can see down. Okay, going ahead. At the top, you can see a line, a circle dot where I am there. I should go to the car picture to take a new car. Okay, going ahead. My fuel is a bit less. My car is damaged too. There are different types of zombies. You can install this too. Oh, I'm slow. Out of fuel. Sorry guys, this ad just popped up. See, this is the fuel. I have upgraded everything. You can see it down in the orange blocks. Okay, see, I have no more coins. I will play again and take more coins. Okay, started the new match. This game is nice. You can install it. Awesome. Using my boost. At the top of my car, you can see a gun. It will shoot automatically. At the left top, you can see the ammos. My ammo is 0 now. I'm using my boost to kill more enemies. Those are zombies. My protection of my car just damaged. Just going ahead. In the red tin, those are the bombs. The more zombies you kill, the more coins you'll get. Using my boost again. Using my boost. I'm very near to the car. You can see at the top. Checkpoint reached. I got a new car. Back to the garage again. Oh, sorry about it. Okay. This is my new car, a police car. I need to upgrade all of these. Okay, thank you guys.